Hi, this is Tracy Adkins, and I'm here today to talk to you about Remind.com. Remind is a free communication platform that helps teachers connect with parents and students wherever they are. It's fast. Messages are sent in real time to an entire class, small group, or just a single person. Announcements can be scheduled ahead of time, and photos and files can be attached in these messages. We are on the home page right here, so let's just go ahead and log in by hitting the login button right over here on the right. Our little bus is going to take us to the dashboard. We can see we have 3 classes scheduled here: IDL 830, IDL 8301, and IDL 8302. Each class has its own avatar with their class code. The class code is critical to help you getting students and parents registered. We can add people by going over here to the right by clicking on Add People. I like using the printable PDF for the first day of school. I'll attach the PDF to Schoology. I'll print off copies at open house to get to parents and students, but with a QR code, or they can do it directly by hand because it's pretty easy. Inside a text message, they just type in 281010. And the message is just the class code. So whatever the class code is, they type in the @E8KF9GH and they're set. If they want to choose to do it via email, they do it with the class code. It's just the email was just the class code. It's E8KF9GH at mail.remind.com, and they hit send, and it gets them registered to be part of the Remind.com class. It's pretty easy. Messages are sent out very, very easily as well. We just click on the right button. I like to send my class a reminder for a quiz that they're going to have on the 23rd of September. So we're going to continue and type a message here. Don't forget the quiz tomorrow. OW. Now, if I wanted to attach a copy of a study guide, I could do that by clicking upload from a video or photo or a file or something from Google Drive, Google Classroom, a Quizlet, a SurveyMonkey right there. Since I want to schedule this quiz, which is going to be on the 23rd, I'll schedule it for Sunday the 22nd. As a reminder, I like doing reminders after church on Sunday. So I like to do it around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So that's scheduled. They'll get the message. It's an awesome tool. It's positive, it's free, and it's fast. People can use it via their phone. My only real disadvantage I can see is that if parents and or students rely on email from their desktop computer at home and they don't check it very often, they may miss any last minute messages or reminders. So there you go with that. I'm planning for my final project to do a knowledge management system for my career and technology department at my high school and create a repository and links to articles and contact information and videos for my teachers in my department. I've decided to use the G Suite for education. My school is in my district. While we do have access to Microsoft and SharePoint and things like that, they love all things Google. They're very familiar with how it works. So they're familiar with Google Drive, Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Forms, Sites, Groups, Classroom. It's perfect for us. The teachers use it. The kids like to work inside the Google products, so it's a good fit for us. I like the idea of using Remind as part of this because, as you saw, we can pull resources from our Google products to insert into messages for late reminders. So that could be beneficial not just for students, but for teachers as well. I'm looking forward to hearing any feedback from you regarding my topic as far as the Remind.com or my projects. So thank you for your time. I hope you have a great day. Thanks again.